Hello guys, good morning. How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Hope you are doing fine. Welcome back again to my channel. Today is Thursday morning. So as you can see, I just want to go out to do a little shopping. So I decided to just take you people along with me, so we can go and shop together. Just decided to go out today and set. I said, okay, let me just start this shopping by introducing what I'm going to do today. So I'm going out. I want to go and get some few things outside in the supermarket, because some of my things is almost finished. So let me go and restock. So I decided to just pick up my phone and make a video and show you the things I'm going to buy today. Tell you what I'm going to buy and probably show you the things I'm going to buy today, especially my kids, my children, food stuff. You know, these children are not fit, okay? So what they eat is not what I eat. Maybe what they eat is not what I eat is not what they eat. They eat few. So most of their things is almost finished. So I said, let me just go out and go and buy. So guys, I'm on the street now. I'm just trying to come down from a step. I'm on the street now. As you can see, this is my street. This is the road that leads to the supermarket. But first, I have to go to the vegetable shop to get some vegetables like tomatoes, other little things. So this is the step I'm trying to come down from this street. I'm set to go. I'm on my way to the shop. I will first of all go to the supermarket, to the vegetable shop before I will now go to the supermarket to get some few things. Everything, I'll put it here inside my bag now. Chicken chili. See, chicken chili. Va bene. Due chili, sì. Ok. Dammi cipolla. Sì. 2 chili. Ok. This is different. Due chili cipolla. No, questo. Sì. Ewo, Chineke. So guys, I'm back. Oh. Nah. The journey is not easy. Oh. I'm back. I'm sorry I could not continue with that video when I was at the vegetable shop, because the man inside was not feeling comfortable when I was making videos. So I have to just stop the video and continue my shopping. So after then, I just head straight to the supermarket. I got some few things, especially things of my kids. So, but not to worry, I'm going to show you all the things I bought. So when I offload the bag, I just have to catch a little breath. It's not easy. Even the bag I took along with me, I thought what I would buy would contain everything. My people, it did not contain. I have to buy another sack bag from the supermarket to put other things that I bought. So I was drawing the other bag and hold it down with my own, so I cannot. So guys, these are all the things I bought both from the supermarket and the food shop. In here I have chicken. This is chicken. I don't know if you can see it very well. Chicken for my kids to make them to eat faster and all that. Money, I don't eat this kind of chicken. I have my own that I eat. These are chicken for my kids. I have this sanseche. Maybe in my last video you saw me when I prepared this with potato for them. So this is how it look when you buy them. Later I will just fry it, or I'll put it in the oven. This is some biscuits. It's for them. I also eat it sometimes. This is banana fruit. I have other food, but only banana is finished, so I have to go to the shop and buy. I'll buy banana. Here I have potato, Irish potato. This is sugar. This is tomatoes. This is the type of tomatoes I like to use if I want to make stew or I want to prepare the love rice. This, and I will mix it with the other fresh tomatoes. This is another types of biscuit, different types. There are so many. As you can see, wafer. This is also, I bought two, one for Junior, one for Miracle. And this is also brioche. They call it brioche. Don't come here. Go back. Okay, I'm coming. This is brioche. Different two types. These are for them. Here is yogurt. As you can see, I don't know if you can see yogurt. There are two here for the kids. I bought some Pepsi. Not that I like to drink Pepsi, but once in a while. I bought some chips for the kids. Also, I have like this type 3 or 4, so I have to buy one and add to the ones I have at home. This is corn for popcorn. I used to make corn inside. You can use it to make a popcorn. So I use this what I use for popcorn. But no, don't worry. Maybe today I will make this popcorn. I go to show you how. When I make this popcorn, we just tie it little and share it in different parts and keep it. Anytime they need it, I will just go there and give them. This is eggs. There are 2. This is the other one here. This is cornflakes for breakfast for Miracle. Only Miracle take this. Me, I don't like it. Cornflakes. Sometimes she will say she want to take cornflakes. Sometimes she will say she want to take tea. So I bought it. Only she. Junior don't like it. This is bread. So there are 3. I bought 3 for me. I want to drink tea. Not that I'm that type fan of tea like that. Maybe today I just feel like drinking tea. I will use this to drink it. This is their biscuit for breakfast. I believe you saw this type of biscuit my other video. So my lighter I used to on my gas is finished, so I have to get another one. So this is all the things I bought. Egg. This is potato. There are 2 types of potato. The Irish one, the one I have not peeled, and this one. This one is the one I used in my last video for their dinner. I don't know if you can remember when I fried it with this thing I showed you now. This is the type of potato I use for them. This one that I've already peeled, washed, and packaged. All I do is just to bring it out and fry it together with that, and then take it. So these are all the things. I still have some things. Okay, here are the things I bought from the vegetable shop. This is tatache pepperoncino. This is this tatache now, you can see 2 kilos. That is here. 2 kilos of tatache here. 2 kilos from onions, also 2 kilos here. Then tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, together with these 5 kilos. I just have to buy it and keep it. Because if I want to do Indomie egg, I always put tomatoes inside. So they are here. Fresh tomatoes inside. All of them are 5 kilos I bought. So this is all the things I went to buy today from the shop. Almost 80 euro has gone. Because the things I bought from the food shop is 30 something euro, and what I bought in the supermarket. So, oh, Chimo. Oh, it's not easy. I'm tired though, honestly. Only the waka this morning, eh? Oh boy. Not be small thing with the bag and the hill on my street. The hill is too much, eh? Be climb. If you are going, it's very easy. It's very sweet. You'll be just running. But if you are coming back, that is the problem. You'll be climbing. So guys, you can see what I bought today. This is what I went out to get. So I have to just rush down now to go and prepare the lunch for us. It's almost time for lunch. Because these children, and they will start shouting, "Mommy, I'm hungry." Maybe Junior is out already telling me, "Mommy, I'm hungry." So I told you I'm coming. So let me just hurry up and go and make lunch for us to eat this afternoon. Then I will see you later after lunch, okay? Okay, guys. Lunch is set. This is mine. This is Junior's son. And this is for Miracle. I will just go now and serve them their own food while I will enter. Go inside my room and eat my own. No food, peaceful. After I finish it, I will just lie down. So that's all for now. Are you all surprised? You know, I told you before that if I finish eating lunch, that I have to mix Miracle. But now you have to see me like this. How do I look? Please, so don't laugh my makeup. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn. Oh, please don't laugh my makeup. Anyhow, you see, just take it like that. Anyway, I'm done with eating. I said I will just, if I finish eating, I will just sleep. If I finish serving the children there, so I will just take my own inside the room and eat and sleep. My people, I cannot sleep. I forgot that I have an appointment today by 3. I have to go somewhere today by 3 o'clock. So I just forgot. So I received a call now from the people telling me that I should get ready. That's why you see me like this, dressed. I'm about going to the office now. Don't ask me where. Don't worry. Maybe some other time I will make a video of it. Somewhere. Not that it's special, but somewhere that somebody provoked me. So I have to go and report her there. So now my attention is needed there. So leave it like that. Maybe when I come back, I will give you detail, or I will just make full story of what happened. So don't worry. I promise you that I will just make a full story of what happened. So for now, let me just go. Nice. So please, people should tell me how do I look. Don't laugh my makeup, So let me just go and hear what they have to say. Then I'll come back home. For that Miracle it not happen again today. I'm not sure say we'll go fit do the hair again today. So maybe we're going to postpone some of that. Let her carry that hair for today again. Maybe we'll do it some of that time. Let me just quickly rush to the office and come back. Problem is that I'm not taking my kids along. I'm going to lock them inside. I'm going to leave them inside all alone. I don't care. As long as they are with their tablet watching cartoon, they don't have problem. They will not go out. What I do is that my other phone, I will just call that phone. Leave it. Miracle will hold the phone. While I will hold my own phone, I will just leave it. It will be cancelled, so that I will be knowing what they are, up to from the sound. So maybe like every 5 minutes, I will call Miracle. Miracle, where are you? Are you still there? She will reply me. Where's your brother? I say he's there. So that's how I always do each time I'm going out, and I leave them all alone at home. I will just put the other call. I will just call. Maybe like for instance, somebody is calling you, pick the call. That's what I'll do. If I call the other phone. I pick. Yeah, she will pick the. I want to relax. I'm tired. This thing will play one place. I will just I don't know why it's like this. We just pick the cord, then I will leave it, then I will go. Put Miracle will have to remain, stay with the phone there, then I will be talking. So that I will know how far they are going. So that in case they do something that is not good, I will know through there. That's what I always do. So that's what I'm still going to do today. The way I'm going is not down. It's not that far. It's close here. Just close here and then I will come back. So don't worry. Maybe next. So guys, I'm back from my appointment. Thank God it all went well. So I just want to relax. So it's like I'm going to end this video here. Let me just end it properly. This is how I'm going to end my video for today. I'll see you again in my next one. Please, 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 I'm still begging you. I'm begging you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please just kindly do that. If I send you the link, just click on the link and click on the red subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell, please. And for those of you that have subscribed to my channel, God bless you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. I'll see you again in my next one. Do stay safe. Remain blessed and be safe. Bye for now.